If you need to unlock your card on Apple Pay, follow these simple steps to regain access to your payment method. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your cards and passes are stored, including your Apple Pay cards. Step 2. Select your card. Find and tap on the card that you want to unlock. This will bring up the card details and options related to that specific card. Step 3. Access card settings. Look for the option that says More or an icon that resembles an eye for information. Tap on it to access the settings for your selected card. Step 4. Unlock your card. In the card settings, you should see an option to unlock your card. Tap on it and follow any prompts that appear to confirm the unlocking process. Step 5. Confirm changes. Once you have unlocked your card, make sure to check that it is now active in your Wallet app. You may also want to test it by making a small purchase to ensure everything is working properly. After completing these steps, your card should be unlocked and ready for use with Apple Pay. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your bank or Apple support for further assistance.